Hi, my name is Shweta Thakkar.
I'm Parva Thakkar, and I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, USA. The first machine we got wasn't making rotis, or it wasn't predictable. It was like malfunctioning. So we were, and the COVID had just started actually. Even during that time, we got someone on call. They remote started and remote operated Rotimatic. Then it went to a second level. They couldn't figure out, and they immediately said that, you know what, you might have got a faulty piece. So they shipped a new one
Right.
right away.
Yeah.
So
It was really good.
and it was during the time when it was showing out of stock on
Right.
your site. So I'm pretty sure they managed to get one for us.
It was really good.
So
Yeah.
kudos to support staff, obviously.
They were really good, all the support system, like whenever
Yeah,
we
yeah.
needed
Support
them, they
system
were
was
like
really good.
email or through phone, or like I guess you were the one who's talking to those people, right? When in starting, but they were really great.
We understood that. I mean, COVID had just started, right? And so we knew that support is not gonna be what it would have been if it were normal times. So we our expectations were well adjusted.
I guess they were pretty clear that how long it will take. So I guess
Exactly. And also we were very confident because it came with like a 1 year warranty. So our expectations were high, but they were also. I mean, we realized that, you know what, it's just a matter of time. I mean, we didn't have Rotimatic for like 35 years, so what's 3 more weeks, right?
Right.